I want you to consider a goal that seems insurmountable, something so bold and enormous that your heart skips a beat at the mere thought. Perhaps it's launching a company, as Jack Ma did, or like Mukesh Ambani, revolutionizing an industry. Or perhaps it's a personal struggle, a dream you've been too afraid to voice aloud. I used to have a mountain like that. It was learning how to speak in front of an audience for me. My palms would start to perspire at the mere prospect taking the stage. I recall thinking, I could never do that. When I watched the dynamic speakers like Muniba Masari, that's for other people. I was stuck for years because of that fear. I had no idea how to even start, and I felt as though I was at the base of a cliff. Starting up at this impossibly high peak, I felt overpowered, and perhaps that's precisely where you are at the moment. However, I want to share with you the tale of my ascent of that mountain today, and I'd like to show you the exact map I used. It's about a method, not magic, a process based on 4 easy steps. Step 1: discover your why, the passion within you. It wasn't just about getting better at talking. When I made the decision to overcome my fear, my motivation was that, like the video on this channel, I had a message inside of me, a story that I felt was aching to be shared, and a desire to inspire and connect with others. Your motivation comes from your why on the days you want to give up. It's what motivates you to get out of bed. Consider Tejaswini Manokna. Her why was to inspire a community and to represent something, not just to win a title. Your why is the emotion that makes it non negotiable, but your what is your goal. Step 2: the power of small steps. Breaking the mountain into molehill. Looking at the entire mountain is a recipe for paralysis. I will become a world class speaker was not what I said. My first tiny goal is to record a 1 minute video of myself talking. Just for myself, I stated. After that, the instructions were to record the 3 minute video and share it with one trusted friend. One step is start 1,000 miles of travel. However, you must specify that step. Is starting a business your aim? Make $1 million isn't your first molehill. The assignment is to research 3 potential company names. Next, draw a logo. Next, have a conversation with one possible client. Unstoppable momentum is built by small, consistent victories. Step 3: embrace the stumbles. Your scars are your story. Allow me to share my first live attempt with you. There were only few of them in the small group. I trembled when I spoke. Halfway through, I lost my lines. I wanted to bolt from the room because I felt so ashamed. I felt like I had failed then. However, I was mistaken. It wasn't a failure, it was piece of information. It was a scar from the accent. Furthermore, what are scars? They serve as evidence that you survived a conflict. Muniba Masari made her scars that focal point of her compiling narrative rather than concealing them. Your story does not end with your mistakes, rejections, or failures. These paragraphs are what give it substance and significance. Step 4: appreciate the view and your progress. I was thrilled the first time I was able to talk without my voice trembling. I went to get my favorite coffee. You did it. I wrote in my journal. You showed courage. We are so preoccupied with reaching the top that we fail to notice how far we have come. Your brain is rewired to associate joy with hard work. When you celebrate small victories, it replenishes your emotional reserves for the subsequent parts of the journey. Let's bring everything together. That frightened individuals at the mountain's base. 2 years ago, I was the person I gave an hour-long speech on a stage last month to an actual audience. I didn't happen overnight. One tiny, frightful, brave step at a time. It happened. My why outweighed my fear, which is why it happened. It occurred as a result of my learning to view my missteps as a part of my individual story rather than as failure. Your mountain is waiting, and I'm confident you can ascend it. Your very first tiny step. Please share your mountain in the comment section below. Just put one of your goals in writing. A strong first step is to say it aloud or put in writing. Let's help one another out here. And if this video gave you hope for the future, please hit the like button and subscribe to receive more tips on how to create a life you are happy with. Keep in mind that everyone started out as a beginner. Every legend started out as a rookie. Your adventure begins right now. I'll see you in the upcoming videos.